Every luxury begins with a process.
Welcome to the largest chocolate manufacturing plant in the country, a marvel of modern engineering.
Distinctions. The automated guided vehicles smoothly transport the sealed cocoa bean containers from receiving to the processing zone.
Everything looks correct on the display.
Yes, the calibration holds.
The flow rate on conveyor 4 seems slightly low. We should check the calibration before the next batch arrives.
Sorters are precisely calibrated to identify and remove any defective bean.
Here we see the optical sorter at work, diverting any defective beans to the parallel conveyor.
Temperature on roaster 3 is holding steady at 150 Celsius.
Good.
Heat before rapid cooling locks in the flavor.
The roasted beans enter the cracking rollers, which slowly break them into coarse fragments known as nibs.
Once cracked and winnowed, the nibs travel by conveyor to the grinding equipment, completing the transition from solid bean to liquid cocoa liquor.
Here in the grinding area, large horizontal stone grinders slowly crush the cocoa nibs into the thick liquor used for our chocolate.
The cocoa mass, now a glossy, dark liquid, flows smooth.
Here in the grinding section, solid nibs are transformed into the flowing heart of
The cocoa liquor is fed into the multi-roll refiner, where the intense pressure reduces the particle size.
The addition of the lighter cocoa butter is crucial. It blends slowly, ensuring the smooth, velvet.
Here in the formulation area, we simultaneously mix the finest dark, milk, and white chocolates before they move downstream for molding.
As the smooth, dark chocolate flows into the conching machine, the heavy rollers begin the crucial process of refining the texture and flavor.
Now perfectly smooth, the chocolate is pumped through the closed system towards the final shape.
Look at all these colors.
I really like the caramel ones.
Okay, let's get that one for you and the pink one for your sister.
This red one is beautiful, but the green box feels more elegant.
I know, right? The emerald color is really striking.
Let's get the green one then. It looks more expensive.
Here is the box. It's beautiful. Thank you kindly.
Happy anniversary, my love. I hope you like them. Oh, darling, they're beautiful. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, are the sea salt caramels still available?
Yes, we just restocked them this morning.
Uh-huh.
We'll take 2 boxes, please.
What about this red velvet one? It looks amazing. Yeah, the packaging is beautiful. Let's get this one. How about the caramel one for your mother?
It's one of our most popular.
This is so good.